queens, welcome to my channel. It's Jackie, and today we will be working from one of the vendors off of AliExpress called Ali Pearl, and this is their 613 straight. I have the bundles in inches 14, 16, and 18 with a 12-inch frontal. And what can I say is the frontal comes pre-plucked. I do have to bleach the knots. It's very soft, no smell, minimum shedding, easy to work with. What can I say is the top is very full, but the ends are more thinner. And that's what I wish it was from full from root to end. But hey, I'll work with it. With this hairstyle, I wish I would have got like 4 bundles instead of 3 because I like my hair actually thick and this didn't come thick. So right now you see me doing my stitching process. And you see how it's thin in the back? Mine just is like, I'm folding over. So it's like 3 tracks, as you can see. But the bottom, as you can see, it's like a black band at the bottom. I did not sew this one way at the nape because I'm not sure if I had enough hair and I wanted to do the double wefts. But it didn't work out as planned because not only was this late at night, but my nose is like making me struggle. So yes, so this is what I'm working with. This is one of my stitching techniques. It's not the best. It could have been, but hey, like I said, my nose was not it. So yes, here's me stitching. And also you will see like with this technique, you may end up messing up with the knots. So, well, stitch, so I will teach you how to go back and fix that stitch. So here is where I had messed up on my stitch, and to fix it, all I did was just go behind the thread between that thread and the hair, pull down, and just recreate my stitch. It takes time and practice of how you want it done. So that's my technique and that's my way of fixing my thread. So my favorite part, dyeing process. Ladies, when I tell you, I love this. I love this. I don't know why people do not like coloring hair. Anyways, you need your hair color, come to me, sweetie. I enjoy it, what I do. So I'm doing it with the water technique, and I'm working with Kiss Temptations, Magenta, and Crimson. Magenta has more of a pink tone, undertone. It's very pink. You know what I'm saying? It's very, very pink, which I like. It's very beautiful, but not for my hair. You know, I was planning on wearing this hair, but it's more pink, so I have to recolor it. You'll see towards the end of the video. But yeah, it's another thing. Work with hot water. It don't have to be boiling water. You can just use hot water from the sink and eyeball it. You know, there's no real measurements to it. You eyeball it. Whatever color the water is the color your hair is going to turn out to be. Maybe even lighter. So you just have to eyeball it, you know, and make sure you stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Don't leave no color chunks in it. Stir it up, okay? Cook, sis, with the rest. Thank you. So here we are about to dip the wig into the water. I'm going ends first, and you will see me use a spoon to like dip the hair down to saturate it because I did not want to stain my nails, even though I will eventually end up staining my cuticles. So ladies, please wear gloves. You know, I do not have gloves on hand, but yes. And you see how fast the weave like picks up the color, and you can tell by how more pink of it is. So yes, saturate the hair, ladies. Saturate the hair. Don't just go by your YouTube videos and you said to just place it in there and they dip, dip, dip. No, ladies. Get in the hair and saturate it as if you would if you was coloring the hair with a brush. You will saturate it. So same way in the water, you have to saturate the hair. Go in between. Mess with the hair. Don't mind it. It's just in water. And just let it sit. You know, I let mine sit a couple minutes before rinsing out. But yes, I'm playing all up in this hair. I refuse to take my wig out and I come out with patches. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. So right now what I did was I'm re-dipping the hair. This water I went more on the crimson side, and I just put a whole bunch of hot water and added more crimson color to it. So I could get more of a red tone, because when you see in the last clip it was more of a pinkish. So I'm trying to get more on the red side, and this is what I did. I just filled the bucket up with hot water, add more crimson color to it, and I let the hair sit for like a good 5-10 minutes. So never brush from roots to end, always from ends to root. This is a big no-no, and I'm showing you that it causes breakage, tangles, and shedding when you do this. Also, I rinse this hair out with cold water, shampooed and conditioned it off of camera. Let it sit conditioner overnight, let it air dry out on the balcony. So that's the end of that process, and I hope you love this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below in the comment section box. And let's work on more videos together. I need some ideas, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I do makeup, so please keep a lookout for that. Pranks will be coming soon. I just have so much in store. It's 2019. It's go big or go home. So please give me some ideas. Hope you enjoyed this video again. Please share it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.